done them, you can mark them. So number 1, tick the correct boxes to describe the properties of metals and non-metals. So metals are good conductors of heat, they have high melting points, they are shiny, and they are good conductors of heat. Non-metals are poor conductors of heat, they have dull appearances, they are insulators, and they have low melting points. Question 2. On the periodic table, draw the steps that separate metals and non-metals and label them metals and non-metals. So, on this periodic table here, the line you need is between between here, boron and aluminium. Then you just draw your steps down. Okay, and on this side are the non-metals. And on this side are the metals. Okay? Next, on the periodic table, label the groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 0. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 0. Okay, so the groups go across the top. Then it says label periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So hydrogen is period 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so you've got to remember the hydrogen is at the top on its own. Name the element in group 1, period 3. So group 1, period 3 is sodium. Name the element in group 2, period 2. So group 2, period 2 is beryllium. Oh, sorry, brilliant. Name the element in group 7, period 4. So we're going in group 7, period 4. Oh, I'm going to write these down the side as well. So group 7, period 4, bromine. Then name the element in group 0, period 1, group 0, period 1, helium. Question 4. Complete the table to identify the correct element. Okay. So these are the ones that were in that question that we did in the doc. Okay. So the green gas at 20 degrees is fluorine. Shiny yellow solid, that was gold. Soft silver colour solid, I think that was sodium. Oh, and I can't remember the other gas that we used. I'll just quickly check it on that doc that I shared with you. The gas was, neon. Neon. Question 5, you need to do question 2 and 3. Question 6. Most metal oxides are in solid form. Metal oxides are basic. If a metal oxide dissolves in water, it forms an acidic solution. Many non-metal oxides are in many non-metal oxides are in the gas state at room temperature. If the non-metal oxide dissolves in water, it forms an alkali solution. Question 7. Complete the word equations of the chemical reaction. So magnesium plus water makes magnesium hydroxide plus water. Something plus water makes calcium hydroxide. It's going to be calcium. And it will make hydrogen. Calcium plus oxygen makes calcium oxide. Potassium plus oxygen makes potassium oxide. Okay, number 8. Look at the periodic table which group these elements in. So these are the group 0 elements. What are the elements called? They are called the noble gases. Are these elements metals or non-metals? They are non-metals. Are the elements in this group reactive or unreactive? They are unreactive. The reason for that is they have full outer shells of electrons. Now that is GCSE knowledge, you don't necessarily need to know that. Question 9. So, look at the periodic table, which group are these elements in? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium and beryllium. Oh, here they are, oxygen, sulfur, okay, so they're in group 6. What happens to the melting point as you go down the group? It gets lower, so closer to 0. What happens to the boiling point as you go down the group? It gets higher. Sorry, the melting point gets higher as well. They both do. So closer to 0 means they're getting higher. So the way to remember that, it's quite confusing, is that if you had a thermometer and this is at 0, your lowest melting point is minus 270. So all the others are getting higher because they're getting closer to 0, and then your highest number is 990. So it's going up, okay? So your minus 270 is the lowest number, and then they all get higher towards 0 and then higher towards 990. And it says, how does the melting point of each element compare to its boiling point? It's always lower. So the melting points are all down here, and the boiling points are all up here. Okay, melting and boiling. Question 10. Metals generally have a high boiling point. It's hard to turn a metal into a gas. And metal oxides are basic. Question 11. So we've got our reactivity series here. Okay, so we're going to look at the reactivity series. So the reactivity series of metals. What is a displacement reaction? It's when a more reactive metal steals a non-metal. So which metal elements would be able to displace aluminium? It's all the ones above aluminium. So you have potassium, sodium, calcium, and magnesium. Okay, just zoom out a bit there because you're struggling to see. So all the ones above aluminium would be able to steal. So say like you have an aluminium oxide, okay, all of these ones would be able to steal that oxygen because they're more reactive. Right, a word equation with the displacement of aluminium from aluminium oxide by calcium. So calcium is higher up. So calcium plus aluminium oxide. The calcium will steal the oxygen. So you get calcium oxide plus aluminium. Okay, and the aluminium gets left on its own. Then the last one, question 12. Describe what happens to the reactivity of group 1 elements as you go down the group. They get more reactive. The reason for this, and you don't need to really know this, because it's GCSE, but you might know it, is because the outer electron is further away from the nucleus. Okay? Describe what happens to the reactivity of group 7 as you go down the group. They get less reactive. that's the same reason that outer electrons are further away from the nucleus. Which two elements would react most vigorously? Explain your answer. So you want the ones that are high up in group 1 and low down in group 7. Sorry, the other way around. Low down in group 1 and higher. So we've got potassium chloride, sodium and bromine. So we've got potassium, chlorine, sodium and bromine. Let me do that. So we've got sodium and bromine. So which of those would be most reactive? So you want the lower one down in group 1 and the higher one in group 7. So it's going to be potassium and chlorine. Okay? Potassium and chlorine. Potassium's lower in group 1 and higher, and chlorine's higher in group 7. Okay? Explain your answer. So potassium is lower than sodium in group 1, and chlorine is higher than bromine. In group. So remember, these questions get harder as you're going along. So depending on what sort of level you're aiming for, depends on whether you can answer question 12 or not. Question 12 is almost GCSE, so it's quite difficult. Okay, so make sure you've answered the questions you need to answer, and you have done your follow-up questions and marked them. Please upload an image of your upload marked follow-up questions.